Why do people still not understand your English even when your grammar is correct? Why does ship sound like sheep when you speak? And why does R sound so difficult in American English? The problem is not vocabulary. The problem is pronunciation. Hello, learners. Today I'll teach you the American English IPA system, the secret code native speakers use to pronounce English clearly and confidently. By the end of this video, you'll know what American IPA is, all important American sounds, easy pronunciation tricks, how to sound more American, not robotic. Let's start. What is IPA? A simple explanation about it. IPA means International Phonetic Alphabet. IPA shows sounds, not spelling. Example: car is spelled as C-A-R but pronounced as this: car. English spelling can lie, but IPA never lies. American consonant sounds. English uses around 44 IPA sounds. Out of these, 24 are consonant sounds and the rest are vowels. American English consonants are mostly the same as British English, but pronunciation style, especially R, is different. Consonant sounds are divided into 5 main types based on how the air moves in the mouth. The first type is stops. P, B, T, D, K, G. In stop sounds, air is completely blocked in the mouth and then released suddenly. The velum is raised so no air passes through the nose. Examples: P, pan, B as in bat, T as in top, D as in dog, K as in cat, G as in go. A tip for you: put your hand in front of your mouth. P, T, K. These are voiceless, while B, D, G. We have to make little air, so that's why these are voiced. In fricatives, the vocal tract is narrowly constricted. Air passes through a small gap, creating friction noise. There is no complete stop. Examples: as in fan, v as in van, th as in think, th as in this, s as in see, z as in zoo, sh as in she, j as in measure, and h as in head. Important tip for very common mistake. For th and the, put your tongue between your teeth. Pronounce it like think, not think. Now let's move to the affricates. Ch and z. These two consonant sounds are the most complex sounds, and many learners cannot pronounce these properly. Affricates are single sounds. but they have two phases. They start with a stop sound, like t, and moves to the fricative sound as, and then it becomes ch sound, as in chair and chicken. In j sound, it starts with a stop sound d and moves to a fricative sound z, and it makes j sound, as in job, judge. A tip for you: don't split the sound. So in stop sound, air is blocked, and in fricative sound, air is released with friction. Now let's move to the nasals. Mm, mm, mm. In nasal sounds, the velum is lowered. Air passes through the nose, and mouth is blocked. Examples: mm, as in man, n as in nose, as in sing, not sing. A tip: touch your nose while speaking. You'll feel vibration. The next type is approximant sounds. L, r, v, and y sound. Why are they called approximants? Because the tongue approximates the place of articulation, but doesn't block air. Air flows freely and smoothly. L and r are called liquids. L is lateral approximant. Air flows around the sides of the tongue. Tongue touches the alveolar ridge. Examples: light, love, bow. That's why L is called lateral. R is rhotic approximant. Tongue is raised and pulled back. It may be retroflex or bunched. Air flows smoothly. Examples: red, car, teacher. American R tip: curl your tongue slightly backward. Don't roll your tongue. V and Y sounds are called glides because the sound moves quickly from a narrow position to a vowel. They are very close to vowel sounds. V. Lips are rounded. Tongue is raised at the back. Examples: V. Water, wet. In Y sound, tongue is raised near the hard palate. Examples: yes, yellow, you. Say them quickly. Don't stretch the sound. American vowel sounds. Vowels are the real game changer in pronunciation. American English has more vowel sounds in daily use. There are two main types of vowels: monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs are single vowel sounds. These are pure, steady sounds. Important American vowels are e, e, a, e, o, u, e, as in ship, sit, bit. It's short and relaxed. E, as in sheep, see, beat. E sound is long and smiling. A as in cat. When you pronounce A sound, open your mouth wide. A. Cat. A. Father. It's deep and open sound. As in cup. It's short and relaxed. U. As in book. This is short. U. As in food. It's long. Length matters. Short versus long vowels change meaning. Now let's move to the diphthongs, which are also known as gliding vowels. Diphthongs are two vowel sounds sliding together. Examples: A as in day, I as in my, O as in boy, O as in now, O as in go. A tip for you: don't stop in the middle. Glide smoothly from start to end. A practice method for you: shadowing method. Listen to a native word and then pause. Repeat with the same mouth shape and stress. Do this daily routine. 10 minutes IPA, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes speaking. And why IPA will change your English? Because you will do better pronunciation, better listening, more confidence, native like accent. Grammar makes you correct, but IPA makes you understandable. Now it's your turn. I'll show you some words written in IPA. Pause the video, try to read them aloud. Then listen to the correct answer. Read the word. It's easy. Can you read this? Correct answer is cat. Cat. Next one, ship. Not sheep. Try this one. Correct answer is communication. If you got even one correct, great job. A special tip for you: word stress in IPA. Now let's talk about something very important: stress. Even if your sounds are correct, but if you make wrong stress, native speakers won't understand you. Stress symbols in IPA. Primary stress looks like a small triangle or apostrophe. It shows the strongest syllable. Example: teacher, student. Primary stress. The sound after a symbol is stressed. Secondary stress looks like a small comma at the bottom. It shows weak stress, not as strong as primary stress. Example: communication. Stress changes meaning. Look at this. Read them aloud. Yes, the first one is record. Record. Same spelling, different stress, different meaning. Quick stress tip for learners: English is stress timed, not syllable timed. One syllable is strong, others are weak, and weak syllables often become this, which is known as schwa. Example: banana. A final task. Before you go, try this. Read these IPA words in comments. Write your answers in the comments. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with your friends who are learning English too. See you in the next video. Bye for now.